Okay, here's the Omni 6 back on the bench here. And I just repaired the bias supply, which was a bad LM356 op amp in the power brick here, in the Omni power output brick here. So I'm now verifying the output power without going through the filters, just straight from the output lead on the final brick here. And I've set the bias, so the bias goes about 0.5 amp for the finals and 50 milliamps for the driver section with the 2 potentiometers on the other side. Anyway, we can start off on 160 here and tune it up. I don't quite get 100 watts on 160, but let's try it out. That's 160. Well, about 90 watts. There's 80 meters. $110 watts. 40 meters. Wow. 150 watts, that's hard to believe. I'll take it. Let's go on 10 megahertz, there we are. Crank it. $120 watts or so, that's pretty good. So yeah, it pays to get the bias set, doesn't it? Here's 20 meters. $110 watts or so. Okay, 17 meters. What do we got on 17? 100 watts. It's fallen off a little bit, but hey, we'll take it. Okay, where's the next band? Should be there. Okay, yeah, 15 meters right there. Crank it up. 110 watts on 15. That's a lot better than it was. This next band here, I never use it, but let's try it out. About 100 watts. Okay, the Bugaboo, 10 meters. How are we gonna do there? 10 meters is always the bad one. It barely had output on 10 before, so let's see what happens this time. Without bias, there was no output hardly. And drum roll, 105 watts on 10 meters. I'll take that. So concludes my test. Now it's time to test the filter board and see if that works. But directly out of the final brick, it's all looking good. Whoops. Turn this thing off. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day.